Pollutants, waste and harmful toxins were filled in our school a few months ago. Air pollution impacts people of not only our city Kanpur, which is one of the most polluted in the country India, but millions in the globe. Pollutants are worsening the lungs of our children and greatly increasing the prevalence of bronchial asthma. When did you have asthma?
So my asthma started around when I was 4. I have currently grown out of it, and while I do get excessive cough sometimes, I don't get asthma.
How did it used to feel like when you had asthma?
So when I used to have asthma, oftentimes my breathing would get very restricted and it would get hard for me to breathe. I've had 2 asthma attacks, and during which it became extremely hard for me to breathe, and I would need medicine to help clear my airways. Otherwise, when I get coughs, they would be more harsh than the average person, which helped ease my throat. Obviously, medicines such as my inhaler always help.
Outside at certain times or in certain places make it worse.
When there is a lot of dust in the area, my asthma does tend to act up and my throat gets more restricted.
39 school students filled out the UPMC asthma screening questionnaire, including one regarding their family history with the disease. The student was also asked about their height and residential address. If a student answered yes to 2 or more questions, they were shortlisted. Each student was asked to blow as forcefully into the peak expiratory flow meter 3 times each after a full lung inhalation. The highest rate in liters per minute was used to calculate their predicted PFR from the given formula. Expected PFR rating was then calculated with those below 80% and a high questionnaire score put into the asthma group.
Pollutant levels were assessed using an air quality detector at the residence of each participant to record values for suspended particulate matter, pollution index and other parameters. Pollution parameters were compared in the 2 groups. Children with asthma had higher PM2.5, PM1 and PM10 levels as compared to those without it. PEFR percentage of expected negatively correlated with PM2.5 levels.
We propose to develop a sustainable outdoor air purifier, mitigating the perils of air pollution. Integrating air filters with street lamp poles to purify the air on busy roads eliminates the financial constraints regarding land and resources for such an efficient solution.
They use high-efficiency particulate air filters and nanofibers to trap particles, while UV light provided by the sun neutralizes bacteria.
It consists of layered filters, centrifugal fan and a light source. As the centrifugal fan operates, a high pressure zone near the fan and a low pressure zone near the filter. This difference in pressure draws air into the filter where it undergoes purification.